Are you running out of mobile data too quickly or noticing that apps keep eating data in the background even when you are not even using them? There's a built-in feature on your Galaxy S25 Ultra that can help. It's called Data Saver, and it lets you control which apps can use data in the background. To do so, go to Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Settings icon. Tap Connection. Next, tap Data Usage. Then tap Data Saver. Tap Turn on now to enable Data Saver. Once it's enabled, you will see a small icon appears in your notification or quick settings panel, this icon. And from now on, your phone will automatically limit background data usage to help you cut down on unnecessary mobile data consumption. If there are certain apps you still want to use data in the background, tap apps that can always use data and allow them individually. For example, you might want to keep apps like WhatsApp or Google Maps enabled. So they stay updated even when data saver is on. So when you are on a limited data plan or traveling and want to avoid background data usage, data saver will help reduce your data consumption and you will stay connected only where it matters most. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.